And now we will code our clear list function, which will clear all list items from the DOM and the task list array. So go ahead and declare your function. And now declare local var ul, which is the reference to the UL node in the HTML document, with the document.getElementById method. And then let's clear the HTML content of var ul by setting its inner HTML property to an empty string with ul.innerHTML is equal to an empty string. This clears the DOM of the HTML content of the UL node, which includes all the list nodes and buttons. However, this doesn't remove list items from the task list array, and we can check on that by alerting task list dot length. And there you go. After adding items to the list and clicking on the clear button, the items are still within the task list array. So head back to main.js. To remove all items in the task list array, let's use the splice method. And once again, it takes two arguments: the starting index in the array that you want to splice from, and the number of items to remove from the array. So type in task list dot splice, and within brackets 0, comma, task list dot length. An array's starting index is at position 0. We are removing all list items, that is the length of the entire task list array. Therefore, we use the task list dot length as the second argument in the splice method. You can use the number 5 as the second argument in the splice method, as there are 5 items in our list. However, taskList.length is more flexible in case you decide to change the maximum number of items allowed in the list. And let's alert taskList.length after the splice method. Items such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then clicking on the clear button, we get a 0 as the number of elements in the array, which sounds right. And with this, we finish our clear list function.